Hello everybody, today we are going to be making a simple compass. The materials required are a bowl of water, a sewing needle, a strong magnet. The stronger, the better. Instead of a cork, you can see that I'm using a plastic bottle can. Let's begin. First we need to take the needle and start rubbing it on the magnet. After some time, the magnet will magnetize the needle. Now we should take the magnet and slowly place it on the plastic bottle cap or cork. Now slowly place it in the water. You can see that the needle is pointing north and the compass is also pointing north.